They dance. You don't want to open my. Wait, try to close your mouth.
You don't go sweet.
You not go sweet. You not go sweet. You must open your mouth.
It be like to dance for you go clap hand when you dance.
But what happened to that thing? What?
I don't know.
Anyone now welcome back on top of the night show. We'll get Barrister Farouk Abbas. But inside the studio, we're going to join us. Welcome Farouk Abbas. Now the lawyer, the barrister, we Anitola Kazim said because of saying Indy very, very busy with different cases we take outside Lagos. But I got Farouk Abbas, why we play that song? You not move. Why?
I don't know.
You know they like that kind of music?
I don't like them. I listen to any kind of music. But you know, say mood day. So the kind of mood where I day now, no be mood for.
But yesterday na weekend.
But weekend. But weekend you groove.
Yes.
Yes, I groove for Saturday.
You groove Saturday. Where you go?
I go Muson Center. My friend married from Muson Center.
He married from Muson Center.
So now
you dance.
I dance now.
My brother, you should say you know they do Fuji music by the corner. No.
I know they do.
You know they do.
I know they do.
Maybe it's a family something.
So what do they do by the corner? Because different people get different things they do by the corner.
Yes.
Not the only law you they do. Which other thing? If you be say you they we don't know.
Well, by the corner, they play chess by the corner.
You they play chess by the corner.
Where do they play this kind?
Where do they play the chess?
Just the Niger game.
My friend are gambling, but that one. You they gamble. Gambling. Hey! So you're a lawyer gambler.
Give me 5.
Say, where's your complimentary card? Lawyer/gambler. Anyway, welcome to the night show.
Thank you.
Now, we discuss, according to the English way you speak, termination of contract of employment. We not understand. As we are in this category, easy be this, so we not know waiting.
No.
Just tell us waiting day for grant today.
You know, say. As we did the country now, where people they talk say economy bad, pounds don't become 450, dollar don't become 300, people no get dollar, people will get company they sack, now sack. No day for this country now where people know they sack. So now if we say termination of employment, what do you mean now? We say when they sack you come out for work, then tell you say make you no come work again. And for this kind of period where we say the economy no good, the thing will come on pass.
Now
sack come on pass. Nothing come on reach sack for this period where we dey now. So then they sack people, and then they sack rules they where they supposed to follow.
Yes,
law they where they supposed to follow. Okay. It get things where employers supposed to do before you go face sack. It get things where employees supposed to do
before.
Then sack, it get things where they go do. So all those rules and regulations you supposed to follow them. And it gets where court they interpret them say okay if they sack you and you know they happy you go court. You get within court they talk before. You get within court don't they talk now. Say okay if they sack you now 10 kobo you go collect. But now you get within court don't talk say no be 10 kobo again now. They don't increase them. And now because the economy bad, people they do fraud. Now people they do fraud. So now if they want sack person go see people they try commit different kind of fraud for company. So once company find out say you they commit fraud or something don't happen or we don't get money, now sack. And when we talk about termination, dismissal also dey. Dismissal now say you do something where they very gross.
And then pursue you.
Okay, so now two different things.
Yes.
Termination and dismissal.
Termination, they will terminate you say, we no see dollar, the economy bad, dollar no day, we no see what.
And we not get money to pay salary.
Yeah, if we say we won't terminate you. But gross misconduct, say you go sleep with your guard secretary.
Hey, we know people when they do all those ones. We know. Continue.
That one are gross misconduct.
Okay.
So difference there between the two. And as far as termination they concerned, within the law talk we say anybody will employ you, if he sack you.
Yeah.
So some kind of company they will say if they give you letter of employment, you go see say they no right termination, they can't sack you. You can't the one that say why the guy sack me now? My letter, you know, get lawyer, you know, put termination clause no there, you know, get right to sack me. That one no matter whether you do your contract or you know.
I think I say he employ you, if he sack you, now no, it be like go up and down.
Exactly. So if he sack you, and once he sack you, within the law, even as in if you no talk say okay we go sack you, within the law talk say if you want sack you, it's supposed to give you reasonable time. Normally, most contract of employment, people they talk say if you be junior staff, they say one month. But then see say this guy you too hot. I like this madam, she too brilliant. I don't want me she leave. I feel talk say 6 month notice. So if I give you notice for your contract before they sack you, they're supposed to give you that notice.
If you give person notice, say go sack. What you gonna make me come there kill myself for work now?
No, but what some people they do, we say instead of them give you that notice, they will talk say make I pay you 6 months in lieu of notice. When they say 6 months in lieu of notice, that means say I will pay you your salary for that 6 month period.
Yes.
Or if the contract no talk anything, say they feel sack you. If your guy won't sack you, supposed to look and say waiting there reasonable. You know if you talk say you won't give me 1 day notice. If you give me 1 day notice, that one no make sense. If I go court, I go fee chop money for court. Say how you go give me 1 day, how you go give me 3 days notice. Maybe I get 7 picking for house, I get 2 wives. You can't give me 1 day notice. So the court go talk say waiting day reasonable. And normally, if they sack you, if you dey happy, say, then sack me and you accept them. If your guy give you money, give you gratuity, if you no go court, you go dey happy. But if you think, say, this is the way they sack me, I won't go fight them for court. You go see some people, they won't fight for court. Their lawyer will know, their lawyer will go court or say, court, I won't make you declare this sack, say, it dey null and void. I go talk, say, if they sack you for private employment, nothing like null and void.
No, nothing like null and void. Say, make you cancel and make you go back to work or something.
Doctor say, it dey wrongful. When they say it dey wrongful, that one means say they don't do them properly. But they don't do them, you don't chop.
You don't happen. You don't have to go back to the work.
But say, as they do them, where they don't embarrass you, take, wetin court they talk before, we say, take 1 month salary in lieu of notice.
Notice,
for
yes.
National Industrial Court, where they don't set up for 2011, you don't day before. But the constitution, where they just amend now, does make them say, now if you get employment matter, na National Industrial Court you go. So the National Industrial Court, it be like say the judges where they that place, then they activists for labor matter. So now, if they sack person and they want to say the employment they wrongful, before, if na High Court they go, High Court go talk say na 1 month notice, Supreme Court go put that 1 month notice. But now we don't see some kind of cases where we say if they sack you, you can't challenge them for court. National Industrial go talk say instead of they give you 1 month notice, now 1 year salary we go give you. And about 2 weeks ago, you get one case where National Industrial Court they just deliver for Titilayo Akinsoya versus Coca-Cola. National Industrial Court, the day for Lugard, number 17, Lugard Road.
Okay.
Titilayo, they sack him.
They sack him for employment. And she carry the company go court. And when she carry the company go court, then talk say when they sack him, say she breached some procedure, something which she was supposed to do, she not do them. They can't say they set committee, they chase them come out. She can't talk say this thing what they do, I don't like him.
Yes,
I go sue. Say make them give me 50 million, make them give me 100 million. She just sue plenty. When she go court can't talk say, okay, out of all these things we wanna talk say this woman.
Yes.
The committee we wanna set up. How 3 people go sit down for committees and I talk say on take this procedure, but the procedure we then talk for the handbook for the company and I no follow. But the courts can't talk say that woman, some of the things we they accuse her of, say she do them. But can't say the dismissal, the sacking, saying he did wrong because they don't follow the procedure. So when I can't say they don't follow, as they read the judgment, I say they don't follow the procedure. I can't think say maybe if I want to read the last part, they will talk say yeah take 1 month salary.
Yes,
they go. That's why I just see 1 year. Say court talk say now 1 year salary, make them pay. Court conduct say before me I know say na 1 month we dey pay if you go, but now things don't change for this dispensation for NIC.
That girl go carry her judgment.
It's a big fool when they sack you now. When they sack you, so it doesn't they sack this guy now. So we go figure like 1 million. Wait, we go. How much will we get if they sack this guy now?
You know say if they sack you, what thing you go look be say? You know say all companies then go get handbook.
Who get handbook, Abi?
But most companies, they quick they overlook those handbooks. They know they look.
Most companies, because you know say most companies, everybody they want the cut cost. Maybe they don't get legal departments. Maybe say na one accountant or one HMD person, now go they advise them. Person go the type letter when you know waiting law talk. So handbook where you wanna go see handbook, or no go for. If handbook talk say before you feel sack you, say committee go sit down 3 of them. After they see 3 of you tomorrow, 2 days later you go see MD. After you see MD, you go see chairman. After you see chairman, they will call you, follow you, talk before they sack you. But if they won't come sack you, they can't say make you just go see chairman wife or you just see the secretary. You can't say you they don't sack you. That one you don't cancel with that.
Okay. So that's board member.
Yes. So what you mean say if the contract talk say now what thing you go do be this. Even if you get case where we don't see before, where we say the contract talk say now chairman fix sack person. Meanwhile the person where they want sack now MD and chairman of the company. Who go sack him?
Who want sack him?
Who want sack him? So if the contract don't talk say that the person go sack him with this, so you know if you sack that kind of person, they go talk say you don't do wrongful. You don't do wrongful sacking. So you know this wrongful sacking and null and void sacking. Even lawyers have they confused for the matter. Because this case where I tell you about say they just finish where this one where they give them 1 year salary. Even the lawyer they talk say make them declare them null and void. Make them declare it. Say
so make the girl go back to work.
No be say
they cancel the sack.
They say make go back to work. Because say now what you mean
make
that?
They pay
say make them declare null and void. What you mean? We say
make them cancel the sack now.
But that on private employment, you know if it happen.
You know go fit happen.
Let's say you say you be palm sec down. And body contact say as you see your face, say you know like you say you wear short skirts come office. You can say because of that I won't sack you. If they sack you, if you go court, they feel reinstate you because that one you be public servant. Public servant, they not to just push you. And so you go see some people that go one die say I won't work for government, I won't work for government.
Because government they not fit sack you anyhow.
They go collect salary today. That government, whether you sabi, you know sabi, they go promote you. Don't feel come out, they don't feel sack you. Because before they sack you for government, the procedure too long. And they sack you, they don't follow the procedure. Government.
Yes, no wonder people they die for government work.
People go die for government work. But that one too, for private employment, it don't happen once. If you notice this a longer case, former MD of First Bank, you know, say after they sack him for some years, you know, day office. But after court say the way they sack him, it did wrong. Court say all the salary We they never pay am before. The money too big. Even not be saying at first bank, even another bank, you go. Not be this.
They pay am the money.
They pay am the money. Then they pay am the money.
Na lie.
Then pay am that kind of big money.
So easy with made them sack you, man.
But you know some people them just say I leave am for God.
Is it not they work for First Bank now?
They say I leave am for God. I leave am for my pastor. Make we leave am. We go fight am for heaven.
No mention the bank. They not pay us money for advert.
No fight am for heaven. If no fight am for heaven, if they sack you way, you know follow the proper procedure. No wait so until you go heaven, go fight am.
Fight am for here.
Fight am for here. Make God even help you, make you fight am. So the thing we say, if they want sack you, nobody.
Now, that's industrial court they work.
Industrial court, they work, but the problem we get, me personally, I get problem with the industrial courts, and the problem no be say in a big problem like that. The constitution talk say if industrial court give judgment, you know if you appeal go another court unless that's in na fundamental rights matter, I been a criminal matter. So what's in that one come mean say if I get case for industrial court and I don't like the judgment, I know if you go out.
You not fit do anything.
That means say the industrial court now it can't be like Supreme Court.
Yeah, exactly.
So Supreme industrial the contact say why they do that kind of law? They say you know say for Nigeria people like appeal. You know say Bukola Saraki appeal. They don't appeal. So if you know everybody want the appeal stored. So industrial court then believe say people wey dem sack wey you no get salary, how you want take fight for case. If you want pay lawyer, you go pay money. They're gonna say if we say we give judgment, we can't allow you make your appeal. The person with the good job, if you don't get money, appeal. If you know,
not their money.
If you need, so they can't say so. But that one, me personally, I don't agree with that position.
Because if person want, because most companies with the sack, then get money to sack you. Now you with the sack, you not go fit fight. If the company now can't go meet them for industrial court, somehow meet somebody, give us a scatter this case, may nothing happen. If they sack you there, it don't finish now. Where you want to go again? You not go appeal for anywhere now. Now heaven you go appeal.
Now heaven. But now, what people call they do now? They say they don't try to see any small thing. Then they try to say, "How we bring fundamental rights matter enter because now only fundamental rights."
You go make you appeal.
I've been a criminal issue. I've been a jurisdiction.
So you go find that kind of angle.
So you go just look that kind of angle. Yes. But me, I feel say. If to say they allow me to even appeal reach court of appeal, they feel not to say me reach Supreme Court. What of appeal still there okay? Because if we say one court, make it just they give judgment, they don't feel appeal. The judge they feel just become like God.
They exactly because they feel do anyhow.
I don't like you.
Look at the can you go anywhere else? I will mess your petition lesson.
See the kind of attachment where they put for
see the guy head wait. Your head be like sponge. Why you go wear brown clothes? I don't they cut how you give yourself. You're sentenced to.
One thing where she talk say she NIC they work well. Make we no lie, that court then they work well. You know, say normal court, if you see lawyer, we go to say, they no sign this thing, technicality, they know this, they fight technicality. NIC, they know they hear that one. So you go to say technicality, they no sign. My lord, make you adjourn. They go to say no. I get matter. One of my friends go more matter for NIC for Calabar. The day way you go Calabar for that matter, they do trial. He do trial. Defendant and plaintiff, they finish their matter. That day. That's same day, one day. And for Lagos, for normal courts for Lagos, you get trial where they do now. We say we don't get 8 dates for trial. Out of that 8 dates, now only 1 witness we don't do. We don't do 4 days for 1 witness. So the remaining 4, and we get about 6 witnesses. The remaining 4 days we get, you know, it's sure say now we will collect another 10 days extra. But now NIC. They know 1 year.
That day, arrange your matter. Come on.
If you don't finish on that day, then go allow make it day fast. They know the year wasting time there because if you say you know say NIC then sack you, you don't get money. So now NIC you go see say the court they full well because people when they don't sack, they don't get job. They will come sit down there. They go they look judge judge I beg. So if the judge said they see those kind of people say you get wife, you get children, they don't sack you. Even judge go they look say this thing I want make this case go fast because if this case no get fast, this person if he go die.
Yes.
Because if you don't get another job, you know go they come court. If they don't sack you and you get another job, if I carry your matter go court.
You know even get time, you understand which time you want get. Anyway, we go back small chicken break. If you want to come back, we go begin take questions. Our phone lines go they open. We go begin call us to ask questions.
They don't drive you from work before you don't know what to do. Yes.
Mostly. But before we even go for the break, make I ask you. Ma ask you, lawyer. What you go talk about the case of these people? When it be say, like, this as you talk now from the beginning, economy, say oil price don't go down, 30-something, say 20-something oil per barrel. Now, barrel now don't they go $40-something per barrel now.
So make we sue them.
Now, those people they sack. Because you get what here say they sack like 3,000, 4,000, 1,000. Those people now, where they say make them go, because of say, company not get money to pay them. Then get any rights to go sue the company.
They know. You say the way this thing they work. We say, if we talk say, what in the law talk? We say, company get right to sack you for one reason or for no reason at all. I can give you a reason and I can decide not to give you a reason.
So company will sack you without reason.
Yes, they will sack you without reason.
And you know go carry go court.
You know, make I tell you one kind of thing where if you carry go court.
So companies, I una they call us to talk to barrister. Make we know una own sacking, no spiritual or physical.
Make I tell you one case where sweet well. The case, the woman they just employ him. As they employ him, they don't know say she get belle, and she said she no tell her guy say she get belle. So when they come employ her, they come when the belle come show, they want to say you get belle, okay, we know if we give this girl employment too. Now they come they find they can't sack him, they no can't give any reason. They can't sack him. As they sack him, she can't carry the matter go court. Say these people then sack me, and because I get belle, and I then sack me. Company could say no be so, but because she bring evidence come talk say when she write letter to the oga email, the oga no respond, she apply for leave, she don't get letter show saying this oga na that belle they affect her. And National Industrial Court now this Lagos here too, then give judgment talk say this girl we on a sack or I know say on a get power to sack but this sacking from all the thing where this madam puts na before me na belle, and because of that I give her 1 year salary. And the case na Mrs. Folarin Oreka Maya versus the Incorporated Trustees of Clinton Health Access Initiative. Now recent case. So they deliver on the court talk say no, now because she get belle, now in then sack him.
Yes.
And the court allow him. I mean I get one case where they do now. My client, now HIV get, and then sack him for office. Then sack him because tourism company. They do test every 6 months. They do test. They don't do test like 3 times. The 4th time when you can't do test, now they don't tell them say, oh boy, we will be born again. Where I won't see this kind of thing. As you go office, now your guy tell them say, oh boy, you no come office again. They don't even give a letter. So you come off for office. You come they follow your guy talk for Facebook, they write message, Madam, how far now? How wanna go help me? The madam will tell say, no worry, they try to package something for you. Then do. When nothing happen, now your brother call me, say, they call my office, say, then see my name for internet, then come with discuss. I say, I write letter to the company, say, when I don't sack this person because of this reason, make I give him this amount of million and make her take him back. Even I not do him, we go court. We write letter 2 months. They no respond. They come after they receive our letter. They say, then call us. Say, lawyer Mo will say to him. They can't call the guy, the client. Say, yeah, come to our office. When they come to my office, I want to say, Shebi, you will receive my lawyer letter now. Why don't they call me again? When I write letter to my lawyer, they don't do anything. When we say they don't want to do anything, now we carry the matter go court. As we file the matter go court, industrial. Court tell them say, make we resolve this matter. They don't say they want resolve. After we can't court, they can't write letter say they don't redeploy them. We want to say on a sack person for March, on I can't write letter for December, so I want to redeploy them. Even if I want to redeploy them, that sufferness when you don't suffer from March to December, and saying get lawyers, I be like this. Say you go see me say you say I think about it. Say you still no money go don't pay. Now money now, so even if you want to do anything, make you not pay the lawyer way. So make you not pay and make you not compensate because I don't embarrass them because for in company, all in friends they enjoy money, paying rent. The guy don't want to kill himself. Now your brother come to say, lawyer, I beg, help us fight this case. I tell them, I look and say, okay, we help you do the case. We can't do court. Court tell them, say, make an settle. When they don't want to settle, we tell the court everything. We put the matter for court. We don't argue. Court don't adjourn for judgment for May. This May 25, now court could deliver judgment. So that kind of thing. So that kind, a lot of people, they will say that they suffer one kind of thing. They know say their guys sack them, maybe because they get hepatitis, or because their wife get belle, or because then this person, or they be deeper life or something. If you know that kind, or your guy they toast you, you know, can't grieve for him, they can't sack you. If you get evidence to show, say then they will chance you. If you prove them, then if you win, court. But if you not prove them, nobody say you go to say you win, you no fine. You say they must say something. You no go work.
So a person will not find, they're not sleep with that.
You say you won't fight. You no go fight that kind of fighter.
Anyway, when they come back, still have the nation. That's watching in the break.
If you're not just enjoy the video, they want to just watch. Make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.